How to make money as a teenager without a job. Making money as a teenager without a traditional job is possible through various creative and entrepreneurial endeavors. Here are some ideas to consider. 1. Freelancing. Offer services like graphic design, writing, video editing, or social media management on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. Sell crafts or artwork. Create and sell handmade crafts, artwork, jewelry, or other creative items on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. 3. Tutoring. Offer tutoring services in subjects you excel at to younger students. You can do this in person or online. 4. Pet sitting, dog walking. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services to neighbors or friends who have pets. 5. Babysitting. Babysitting is a classic way to earn money. Spread the word in your community or through family connections. 6. Gardening or yard work. Offer gardening, lawn mowing, or yard maintenance services to neighbors. 7. Online content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or social media account centered around your interests. As your audience grows, you can earn through ads and sponsorships. 8. Photography. If you're skilled in photography, offer your services for events like family gatherings or birthdays. 9. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like printable, templates, or ebooks on platforms like Etsy. 10. Recycling and collecting. Collect recyclable materials like cans or bottles to earn money from recycling centers. 11. Car washing. Offer car washing and cleaning services to neighbors or family members. 12. Odd jobs. Offer to help with odd jobs like organizing, cleaning, or moving for people in your community. 13. Language lessons. If you're fluent in another language, offer language lessons to others who want to learn. 14. Online surveys and micro-tasks. Participate in online surveys or complete micro-tasks on websites that offer compensation. 15. Flipping items. Buy items at thrift stores or garage sales and resell them for a profit on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Remember, while making money is important, focus on developing skills, managing your time, and maintaining a balance between your money-making activities and your studies or other commitments.